everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing open box. I had ordered something from Amazon. iPhone case. I had ordered me for my iPhone 12 Pro. I had ordered me a case. Also ordered something else for because I have wigs that I got that I want to put them in like a bag. It's like a bag thing you kind of use to keep them safe and, you know, fresh and smell good too. So yeah. But if you're new, hi, my name is Tiffany and this is my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new and click the bell notification and so you don't miss our new upcoming videos, and go watch my last videos that I did. Subscribe, like I said, and follow my social medias that be in the description box. So Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, and all of that is in the description box. So let's get started in today. So this is my iPhone 12 Pro that I have. I need to wipe it down to my box that I got from Amazon. I had got it it has the date on here. Oh, I got it in July the 20th. That's when I had got it. I already had opened it, so I had opened the box, but I haven't opened the phone case and stuff, so, but I haven't did that, so yeah. Okay. Oh, my bad. In here. Let's first show y'all these. It's this bag, but this is like for if you want to put your wigs in, and it's called, what's the name of it? Let me look on my phone. And also with this, I supposedly had got me a phone case, another phone case. It's like a game board. The same day, I didn't get the same day that I was supposed to get in the box. They didn't put it in there with the box of it. I decided to cancel that one, and they reversed the money back for me because I was supposed to have got. I said I'll wait next time to get it, and I wasn't worrying about it, but it did. It was like $19. This is how much is it? And I had got the black one, so I don't know how to pronounce the name, but I don't know if y'all see it with the video. So these the bags. Yeah, I think it has like a string with it. You can tie it up and put the wigs in. So okay, the phone cases. This is the phone case I had got, and I had got the cover to put on top of my phone case because I do need to have that to put that on there. But yeah, I had got this one too. Their set, I had got this one too because I know that I needed to like screen protect my phone, and I was going to use these first until I decided to get another phone cases. So I kind of decided to get these. But okay, I'm gonna put this one on. So instructions of how to, okay, so you have to wipe it down. So this is how I look. I got this color. It's kind of look like it's like, I don't know what type of color it is, but okay, I know it says I do need to wipe it down. I gotta get used to the lock thing keep coming on. So okay, I could put it on. I'm just testing out putting it on. This is how it looks, the case on it, and I like it first before I put it back on. And put this on here. This is another phone case and came with it. Okay. And also it comes with these, I think it's like the wipers, screen protect, and these like the other things that has that comes with it to put it on the phone. Open it. Oh, it comes with like an alcohol pack, stickers. It's like stickers that comes with that. On, off.
He needs some milk.
It's not funny. Now I'm gonna wipe this off. Use this. Oh. And wipe this off. I use one of these. These like the sticker. Okay, put this on here. I don't know if I'm doing this right. Oh, it's the other way. I'm messing it up. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I had to fix it. I don't know for sure if I'm doing this right. Like blinking right there. Okay, this is kind of weird. So I got extra ones that I have 2 of them left. It comes with this, and I thought it would be like a full case thing, but it's not. It comes like this. I don't know if that looks right with me. So I want something that covers the back part one, but I like this one better.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
So okay, I just put this one up. Now onto, I'm gonna do this one. So it comes like on here. It has instructions about wipe it down, and you already have, like, this one has this too. Them covers for your front case and the front part, and it has a clear case in the back of it. I gotta figure out how to do this. We'll put this on this first. I don't know. Okay, I got this on here. It's the back part. Now I gotta figure out this one. Yeah, guys, I'm back. Now I see now. I am so, oh my lord. Not gonna go to that. I don't know what I'm thinking. This one's separated, and it's my first time having a phone case that's like this. I know you're supposed to put this on here. I'm trying to keep it on here so it don't come off. Well, it's not really. It's like this. I know this is like this because I was taking it trying to fix this thing. So I have this on here. I can use that other thing I got and just wipe this down a little. Might put some pictures on here in the back of it. I probably just use this and put this on here. I don't know for sure. I don't know. I might just use this one, and I might use this later. I don't want to put too much, like, probably use this one next time. But yeah, I think that's it that I have. But so yeah, I think I did that. If y'all enjoyed this, let me know in the comments, and tell me what is the best phone case for this iPhone 12 Pro that I have. I will put a comment at the below of the phone case and the back that I got. I mean in the description box. And so yeah, because I got it from Amazon, so I have got it. But yeah, I kind of like it. I like the case, but I like this one more because of it match of the phone a little bit. I might order me another phone case and find something different. Like I said, put in the comments and tell me what's the best phone case y'all think I should get on Amazon. Well, say thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe if you are new to my channel. Subscribe. And I like doing these open box videos because it's kind of fun doing these. I might do more of these whenever if I decided to order something. Like I said, subscribe so you can know upcoming my new videos that I'm posting, and go watch my last videos that I had posted. My recently video that I had did. Subscribe to my vlogging channel. My second channel. Follow my social medias: Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok. They'll be in the description box. But I see y'all in my next video. Y'all have a wonderful day. Be safe. Keep wearing your masks. If you are full vaccinated, I'll probably say just keep wearing your masks. But just keep yourself safe. If you're not wearing your mask, but still keep yourself safe. So, but yeah, I see y'all, and bye, y'all. I don't know why I'm doing that. This is one finger. It's not my middle finger. Bye, y'all. Joshua, I'm making a YouTube video. You leave me alone. It's locked. What?